Leetcode weekly context 484. Question number 3. Count Caesar cipher pairs. We want to find out the pair of similar strings. So first of all, since we only have lowercase characters, which is A, B, C, D, blah 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 to Z, and obviously these 26 letters we can assign it with a number. Either it is 1 to blah 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 26 or maybe 97 blah 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 122, which is ask code for this character. It doesn't matter as long as there's a number, that's fine. And where we can use the arithmetic sequence. With a arithmetic sequence, instead of saving the original string, we can turn this string into a sequence. Instead of saving the character itself, we save the gap for these characters. Say we always start from the first character, give it 0. Then if next character is B, then gap is the gap is 1. This is the way we organize this arithmetic sequence. Take this. Let's take this one for example. AB gonna be 0 1. AA gonna be 0 0. ZA gonna be 0 1. And AA gonna be 0 0. This is the arithmetic sequence we're gonna prepare. Once we have this, the purpose of this arithmetic sequence is we can tell that two similar strings gonna have the same pattern of arithmetic sequence. 0 and 0. So once we find out a identical sequence, that means this is a pair of sequence. And if we count this, the next step is if we count the number of these similar strings, we can use n times n minus 1 divided by 2 to count the number of pairs. But this is the solution for us to solve this problem.